Hey guys, Ken with Sportsman's Chronicles, and today we're on a top secret mission. Come in a little closer, I'll tell you about it. No. A little closer, guys. Guess what? We're gonna make a camp meal for less than $5, so let's get to it. Stop it. All right, guys, so I went to the Dollar Tree and I got three things. A can of chili, unfortunately with no beans, because real chili has beans in it. I got some of this fancy Yasmin rice. And then I got some flaming hot Cheetos to put on it. For those of you that don't know, this has to be less than $5 total. So there we go. We spent $4.34 at the Dollar Tree. Now this is a little kicker. So I like butterscotch and I like Peeps. So these were technically free because my daughter bought them for me. So I'm gonna include them in the meal. The other thing that we have that was free are these Texas Pete hot sauces. And these came from Bojangles. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the stove and everything set up, and I will bring you guys back then. All right, so while that's going, what we're gonna do is go ahead and open this up. Whoa, maybe not. Good thing that wasn't open yet. This cheap can opener, I don't know if, ooh, this is gonna be bad, guys. So we're gonna leave that just like that because we're actually gonna stick this in the boiling hot water as well. And we'll heat that chili up just like that. All right, guys, so Herbert T Outdoors is the one that started this $5 meal challenge. So I'm just now getting around to it. And that's, oh yeah, that's good and heated up. So we got the chili already out. Woo! And we're gonna put some rice in it, which is not very appealing, but hey, we're gonna spice it up a little. So I probably could have kept that rice in there a little bit longer, but that's all right. Now, we're gonna do the unthinkable. Ah, crunch these up. Pretty good. Nice and crunchy. All right, guys, get a load of that right there. So that is Dollar Tree chili, rice, some Cheetos, and some hot sauce. Let's take a bite out of it. And all right, guys, so that's actually not that bad. It's not heated up as well as I'd like to have had it. However, that's my own fault. I ran out of gas on my stove. So we're gonna eat this, and that's my $5 meal challenge. Shut up back there, peanut gallery. My wife and daughter are out here helping me film this, and they're laughing their butts off at me. So Herbert, I appreciate you putting this challenge out there, and I'm really sorry that it took me so long to get this video done, but $5 meal challenge, guys. Guys, I feel like I was forgetting something for the video. What was it?
Eat the Peeps, fool.
Oh yeah, Peeps. You guys like Peeps? Let me know down in the comment section. I've never had butterscotch Peeps before. So, ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.